Hello, everyone, and welcome to this free Zoom about the gift of an Access Foundation class. Here is a clap for the translators. Welcome to all nations from around the world calling in and being interested in what could be the gift of a foundation class. And I was listening in before we got started, and I heard that most of you have had a foundation class already, and there are also people who have not done a foundation class yet. So why am I doing a call called the gift of a foundation class? Well, basically because I would love to have everyone out there knowing about these amazing tools that you can learn in a foundation class. You probably know that the Access Foundation class is the class that you take after bars. It's a 4-day class and it's intense. It's a lot. The foundation manual basically covers every area of life that you are faced with, that you need to deal with. We talk about bodies, okay? We talk about your business. We talk about kind of creating the life you've always dreamed of, creating a business that you dreamed of, but also family issues, how to deal with your family, how to deal with your relationship in your marriage with your partner. There are so many areas that are covered. We even go into the topic of sex. Yes, we'll talk about sex. And there is a big, big topic. It's called the entities. Yes, can we speak to ghosts? Do ghosts exist? And yes, how do I deal with it? So it basically covers everything that you can imagine, everything that's part of our daily life and living. And it's not the fact that you need to know it or that it is essential that you have these tools. I am pretty sure you all could have a great life without it. But what's the brilliance of the foundation? For me, it was actually the incredible amount of ease it brought to my life. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the international lawyer of access consciousness. Before I discovered the tools of access consciousness, I was running a very successful law firm in Vienna. I was working very hard. I had a really cool, successful life according to this reality. There was just one little thing missing, on a scale from 1 to 100. I was about at 90. But what was the thing that was missing? What were these 10%? Well, guess what? It was me being happy. I was so good at making everyone around me happy and pretending to be the perfect image that I created as an international lawyer. So everything I lived was perfect and shiny and great from outside. But nobody ever asked me what's going on inside of me. And when I looked at the inside, I wasn't happy. I was working hard. I was stressed. I needed to meditate 4 times a week to make it through the week. I did all these holistic and alternative methods to calm down. I centered myself for hours. I went to all these, treatments, energetic treatments. And all of these things were a contribution, but it still was hard work. And then I discovered access consciousness, and then I discovered the bars, and I knew from the beginning, okay, bars are amazing because you don't need to talk. You just do something on your head and you relax your brain. And when I went to my first foundation class, I was blown away. I was stunned. I've personally experienced every modality that existed on planet Earth: self-development, coaching, relaxation. I was doing the breathing techniques, yoga, Pilates. I mean, everything, you name it. And then I came across Access. And what I was fascinated about, nothing of what I've done so far was actually judged as wrong. There was this space of, okay, it's fine. Every other modality that I've found out about before was kind of, this is the way you have to be, this is the right way to be, and only if you do that will you be successful. Access was different. The foundation class invited me to look at every area of my life without going into the wrongness of me. And I think I remember correctly that the subtitle of this call is 3 tools that totally changed my life. And that was actually the first one. In the foundation class, it was the first time that I heard in my life that I wasn't wrong for the way I was thinking, for what I desired, for the way I wanted to be. Everybody told me all the time, again and again, that I am trying to fly too high. When will you ever have enough? When will you ever slow down? When will you ever get your feet on the ground and be normal? Why can't you just go to the office from 9 to 5 and be happy? And I tried hard, but that wasn't what I wanted. So the first gift and the most amazing tool that I learned is to acknowledge that I'm okay, that everyone out there is so individual. There is no mainstream when it comes to being happy, when it comes to living a life, when it comes to creating a life. There is no normal. That was new to me. I always tried to fit in. I always tried to be, okay, will I ever be like someone else? Will I ever be normal? There is no normal. The way you are, that's your normal. There is no normal. And no matter where you are, no matter what you do, no matter how crazy you are, it's okay. That acknowledgement of going into the place, I'm okay. I'm crazy. I always want more. I can never get enough. And I have these crazy dreams. I always want more and I always change and I will never slow down. And I will always, flip around. That's okay. There is no normal. That was an incredible relief for me because I try to be normal, but I'm not. And if you try to put you into a box where you just don't fit, it will always create conflict. You might be accepted by your family, by your friends, by your boss, by everyone out there, but will you be happy with yourself? And that was the first mind-blowing tool that I learned. You are okay. It's okay to be different. It's okay to be crazy. It's okay to wish what you desire in your world, and only you know what works for you. And that's the whole thing, that's what access consciousness is based on. To empower, to know that you know what works for you, and you can choose to live the life that works for you without trying to fit into anyone else's box. And how that looks like in your life, well, this is the foundation class about. How can you apply that to your family, to your job, to your financial situation, to your business? I learned also that you don't have to give up your job. You don't have to end your relationship. You don't have to kind of cut off your family. You can include all of that. And that was actually the second most world-changing tool that I learned in the foundation class, to have allowance.